Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be going over exercises that can be done in the comfort of your own home. Squats can be done with or without the use of a couch or chair. Using your hips first, bend from the knee and squat to touch the couch. This can be a good warm-up exercise after you've become comfortable doing them. Overhead squats are similar to the squats above. However, instead of holding your hands to your sides, you hold a broom or something similar. If you want to increase your benefit, hold on to something relatively heavy over your head as you squat. Side lunges are similar to regular lunges, which provide a great stretch for the groin and the abductors. Rather than stepping forward, step to the side and go down. If you feel pain in the knees, stop. As your muscles get stronger, you should be able to go down into the lunge further. You can also use weights, but it's great without them, as well. Push-ups are great for building up arm muscles. With your arms slightly shoulder-width apart, keep your body straight. Lower your body, but don't go all the way to the floor. There are many alternatives from which to choose, using a wall instead of the floor, inclined, declined, with weights on your back. Tricep dips are best done using a chair. With your hands on the front of the chair, and feet in front of the chair. Raise and lower your body. If you would like to progress, do the exercise with your feet up in another chair. If bundling up to go to the gym doesn't appeal to you, but you still want to get in a good workout, you can do these exercises at home. Thank you for watching.